Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play We're Going to Be Friends by the White Stripes. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. Let's get straight into the lesson. Okay, so it goes like this. Excuse my singing. Fall is here, hear the yell. Back to school, ring the bell. Brand new shoes, walking blues. Climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. So it's a perfect song to learn if you're just getting into fingerpicking because it's really not too tricky to play. So we're starting, the intro is just 2 bars. It starts on a G chord. All you need to do is hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string, the root note, and you're just going to play string 6, 3, 6, 3, and then from there you're going 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3. Okay, so that is it. So again, string 6, 3, 6, 3, and then for the remainder of the intro it's 6, 2, 6, 3. Okay, so you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and let's just say that's your 2-bar intro. And then you're into the verse. Fall is here, hear the yell. Back to school, ring the bell. Okay, so that was still on your G chord there, and you're just playing strings 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3. That's 1 bar, so you just do 2 bars of that. Fall is here, hear the yell. Back to school, ring the bell. Okay, so it's just essentially there. That's just the intro continued. Nothing's changed, and then it goes to a C chord. So you can hold that down. You just got 1 bar of it, and you're going to play strings 5, 2, 5, 3, and then 5, 2, 5, open 2. So slowly 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, open 2. So brand new shoes, walking blues. Okay, and then it's back to G, climb the fence, books and pens. So here again, you just need to hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string, and you just play. This time it's 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 2, and that's it. Okay, so far you've done 4 bars of the verse. You've gone fall is here, hear the yell. Back to school, ring the bell. Brand new shoes, walking blues. Climb the fence, books and pens. And then you've got I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. So that's D, then C at 9, and then G. So hold down your D chord, and you're going to play strings 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. I can tell that. And then from there it goes to a C add 9 chord. But he still plays only on the 1st verse. He still plays the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Okay, you'll see. So we've done our D. So if you're just playing a normal D, then just lift off your 2nd finger and put it onto the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Play that. See, I've still got these 2 held down like you're holding a D. So you played the bass, the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Then play the 2nd string. Then the bass, and then just only on the 1st verse he does it, but after that he plays the 3rd string 2nd fret. So you get like that. Pretty much every other time on this part he either plays on that C add 9 just strings 5, 2, 5-2, or sometimes he plays 5-2-5-3. He does mix it up. So what I recommend doing is just finding a way that you're comfortable, a way that you like, and just repeating it every time. Okay, so, but anyway, on the first verse, you've got your D, and then as I say, just move that second finger to here and play strings 5-2-5-3. Okay, and then just back to your G chord and play strings 6-2-6-3-6-2-6-2. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. And then it's back to your D, just like before. And then on this C add 9, just a regular C add 9, so just the third fret on the second and fifth string, and just play strings 5-2-5-2. Okay, so that's how he plays it most of the time. So just 5-2-5-2. So as I say, it's kind of up to you if you want to be super exact as played on the recording, or if you want to just keep it the same way every time. It really doesn't matter too much in my opinion. He probably mixes it up and changes it a little bit every time he plays it. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. So as I say, it's up to you which way you play that. But then after that, back to G, and you can just play strings 6-3-6-2, 6-3-6-2, and then one more bar of that, 6-3-6-2, 6-3-6-2. So that's how you play the verse, or the verses. There are some, as I say, minor nuances, and he makes some small changes on each verse. But if you just play it as I've just shown you there, it's going to be absolutely fine. If you want to be really exact and play it just like the recording, then get the guitar tab and follow through with that. But if you want to just play the verse as I've just shown you like that for all of the verses, it's going to work just fine. So the only other section of the song is the bridge. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. We sit side by side in every class. Teacher thinks that I sound funny, but she likes the way you sing. And then it's just one more verse after that, and then that's the ending. So that's C to G, C to G, then it's A for 2 bars, and then C, D, and then back to the verse. So as I say, hold down the C, and this time you're playing strings 5-2-5-3, and then 5-2-5, open 2. We don't notice any. And then just a G, and here you're just going 6-3-6-2-6-3-6-2. Okay, and then back to C, and then it's 5-2-5-3, 5-2-5-3. Okay, and then G, just like before, so just 6-3-6-2-6-3-6-2. So you've gone. We don't notice any time pass. We don't notice anything. Okay, and then it's to A, so just hold down that A chord. And here you're going for 2 bars, so you play strings 5-3-5-2, 5-2-5-3. So, and then the second bar is 5-2-5-3, 5-2-5, open 2. So. Then back to C, and you're just going to go 5-2-5-2-5-2-5, open 2, and then to D, and play strings 4-2-4-1, 4-2-4-2. So, and that's it. So from the start of the bridge. And then on the final verse, you'll just notice you get the D, C add 9 to G 3 times. You'll hear it, just listen to the song. And then the final chord is just a G6. So for this, I'm holding down the 3rd fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret on the 6th string, just that, and you just strum. Okay, the 5th string, I mute that one. So you'll get, you and I will walk together again. Yes, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. All right, and that's how you play it. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com for hundreds more fingerpicking guitar lessons. But that's it for now. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.